What is up guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we have this beautiful GLC350e Coupe. Now this is the AMG line that we have right in front of us here. Check out the grille. We will get to the details shortly, but I love this car because of how the way it looks at the front all the way to the side, and because this is a coupe, check out the slope, the way it goes down, right? Beautiful, man. Now let's move to the rear. Check the rear out. GLC350e badging on that side, 4matic word on the right side. We will show you that shortly. But now let's check the physical appearance of this particular unit that we have right here. Now let's move on to the lights first thing. These are Mercedes-Benz lights. These are the digital lights that we have right here for the car. As you can see, the lights design is absolutely sleek and aggressive at the same time. You got a beautiful grille for the front right here. Your sensor is located right behind this logo. As you can see, you can't really feel it because it's like a glass. Check out the studs that we have right here. Beautiful chrome-like design. Mercedes badging in black and also silver. Check out the bumper, how aggressive it looks. This is where your number plate goes, but yeah, check out the side openings right there for air to flow through, including right here, air to flow through down here. Absolutely beautiful. Now check out the front hood. You got some design cut right here, you got another design cut right here, and also right here as well. Beautiful, right? When there is shade, can you see the design of the front hood? Looks absolutely nice. Now let's move to the front wheels that we have right here. Now the wheels on this are 255/45 R20. Let's take a closer look. 255/45 R20. The wheels are designed in this way, 20-inch multi-spoke wheels. I love how the black is on the inside, silver is on the outside. This two-tone stuff is my favorite. The black badging for the Mercedes-Benz, I love it. Continental tires they are using. Now let's check out the side steps that we have right here. Amazing touch from the side. Beautiful. Check that out. Amazing. Side mirrors that we have, 360 camera down here, turn indicators are here. That's your mirror. Door opening right here. Check out the doors. Now these are your door opening for the handles, seat adjustments, memory seats, ventilated seats, Burmester sound system. You also get your window opening up here, handle to hold up and close. This texture, very nice. Storage compartment right here. Mercedes-Benz wording over this side. You also get your AMG wording on the carpet. Lumbar support for the seats, but check out the seats. Love how the headrest is designed in this way. Hugs the occupant, passenger and the driver beautifully. Check out this support. Amazing. Comfortable seats to sit in for long distance journey as well. Same time you get the amount of power that you get is beautiful. Speaker right here as well. Now let's have a seat. Now this is me sitting comfortably without adjusting the seat again. Now you got this amazing texture design, glossy finish, but look at the design guys, you can see it. The camera can capture it. Looks beautiful, man. What about the center here? Love this design. Check out the side. Whoo! Stunning. You got your ambient lighting, especially down here. I think you noticed that, right? Then you also get them at the aircon. You get them at the doors. Check that out. Here, here, here. Come on, man. Beautiful. Air vents right here. Now check out the seating position. Super comfortable. I have space. I don't feel congested. I feel good. Now put the leg down. Open up the glove compartment. Storage space. Close that. Center. Let's push that. 2 cup holders. Type-C charging right there. 2. You got your wireless charging inside right there. You got another storage compartment right here. Open that up. Type-C charging. Storage compartment. Underneath there is also a storage compartment. You can move this. Amazing. Screen faces the driver's side. Beautiful steering wheel. Now let's move to the rear, but before that, seat belts black. Now let's open up the rear. Same thing that we have right here. Now this car has a glass roof right on top, right? So you can open up the roof if you wish to, right up there. Now check out the rear doors. We got the handle right here, window, Burmester sound system, speaker right here as well. Shade if you wish to use it. Amazing. Compartment storage down here. Plates, as I mentioned, the side for you to step in and step out easy, comfortably. Now, I have not adjusted the front seats earlier, right? But check out the leg room. Amazing, beautiful. Check out the headroom. This is the coupe and the design is sloping down and it's comfortable, nice. Now, seat belts are in black as well over here. This is me sitting right in the rear passenger seat. Check that out from this side, amazing. Now, you get your air vents right here. You get your sort of like a small storage space. Down here, I believe there is, okay, nothing happening down there, but the design is in such a way. But yeah, check out the center right here. I can even go through and sit comfortably, and people still can put their legs over there as well, no problem with that. But check out the center. I'm sitting right here comfortably. You got lighting up here if you wish to have lighting, and seat belts for me right here as well, black. And check out the glass roof right on top here. Now let's move to the right side behind the driver. Now I'm right here as well. We got some ambient lightings. Love the finishing of that. Handles to open up, speaker that right there, Burmester sound system right here. You have your textured handle to open up and close the door, window wind up and wind down, hand to go in. Storage compartment right here, storage compartment down here, including right there. So looks comfortable, looks nice. And check out the center that we have right here. Let's pull that down for you to rest your elbow, and check that out. Amazing storage space, cup holders. Close that back, put that back, elbow in. Amazing. So shade is down, shade is not up. If you wish to put it up, you can. Comfortable and sporty like design. Now let's open up the doors. Let's get down. Now, since we're already at the rear, let's check out the tires. Now these are 285/40R20 multi-spoke 20-inch wheels, two-tone. I love how the black is here and then the silver is in the outside, as I mentioned. Continental tires. I love this design, amazing. The petrol cap that we have right here to charge is amazingly here as well as all the other cars that are that way. Now let's check out the rear design. I love how the bumper looks. They have this cut right here. They got your exhaust like design over there, but what's really exhaust is underneath. It doesn't show you, but yeah, one over there, one over there. Amazing chrome like finish that we have right here. Number plate goes there, sensors, beautiful. So GLC350e wording right here, Formatic word over there. These lights, I love how they have that from left to right, it's just connected. To open up the rear boot, I love it as well. Press the logo in, open that up. Now this, I believe, is the mat for the rear boot, because this car is brand new, very well kept. Fold down the rear seats if you wish to, here and here. Let's check it out. Amazing, guys, check that out. You can take that off and keep them right underneath here, because there is more storage right down here, I believe, to slot something back in, or just a small compartment storage. Okay, cool. There's a small compartment storage right here, cable also given to charge. Warning triangles, amazing. But you can remove that and perhaps store it sideways for you to have another big box entering, Big boot space. Now, let's check out from this side. Amazing, right? Amazing amount of storage. Super huge. To open up and close the boot is right there as well. Check that out. Amazing design. Now, let's move to the driver's side. Open up the door handles once more. And right now, the door side, we have the memory seats right here. You got your handle to open up and close, lock, unlock, seat adjustment, Burmester sound system, child lock for the rear doors. You got your window adjustments, and also your other stuff that we have, which is your window adjust, your mirrors, your side mirrors to fold up and close. Boot opening, closing for the rear boot. We will not do that right now, later on, but yeah. Storage compartment, Mercedes-Benz wording, AMG on the carpet. Amazing touch, amazing design. Now let's have a seat in the driver's seat. Now right here, we can comfortably see how beautiful this design looks. Now you get a flat bottom steering wheel for the AMG model performance ones. Got your paddle shifts right here, negative, positive. You got your main controls to control that screen. You got your cruise control to control your cruise control, and also your speed limits to set the distance between you and the front car also. Now you also get your answering call, rejecting the call, volume up, volume down, favorite button, and also your voice commands. These buttons right here are to control that screen that you have right there. Now there are other controls right here for that screen. If you wish to use it, you can, but we'll not turn that on right now. But check out the blue lightings in the aircon. Beautiful texture, beautiful dashboard, beautiful design. Lighting adjustments right here, handbrake is right there, and it is comfortable and nice. Check that out. Love the pedals that we have right there. Sport pedals. Beautiful. Glass roof, amazing space up there. You got your other adjustments right here, glass roof adjustments, SOS call button and things like that, Mercedes Me and whatnot. Beautiful design. Now, let's turn on the lights to show you guys how it actually looks. Now, the front part of the car with these lights, the digital light, check out the blue on the inside. I'm very sure the camera is able to capture that, but there's some blue and there's a white light that's happening right there. Check that out. Beautiful design, guys. Absolutely beautiful. This car is stunning. Super stunning, super aggressive, and super nice. I love it. Now let's check out the rear. With the boot actually closed, check that out. Amazing design, guys, for the back. Love how the light goes from here to there, and from there to here. Beautiful. Now let's turn on the signal lights. Check out the front. You got some at the side mirrors that's there, and you also get this. White LEDs are still on, signals are on the top, blue lighting is still there. I love this touch. Looks absolutely beautiful. Now let's move to the rear. Check this out. Beautiful, right? Turn indicators, brake light should be there, reverse light is here. I love this. So that is it, guys, for today. If you'd like to find out more about the GLC350e, do head down to Cycle and Carriage in Mutiara Damansara to find out more about this beautiful car. Now, this is the charging place for AC, because this is a plug-in hybrid. That's something I'm supposed to show you, but yeah. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video.